Commando is a long journey. It was when we started in Force, we introduced Vidyut as the main negative part in that film, and then whatever extraordinary talent that I felt in Vidyut, we decided to make Commando. It was a very tough journey, and in that tough journey, I found my most reliable studio with whom I have done most of my films: Waqt, Namaste London, Singh is King, Holiday, and Commando 1. This is Commando 2. My relationship with Reliance and Phantom now started long back, but they were the one who supported my vision. Radha Sharma, please come on the stage.
Whoa.
Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello, Vidyut. Well, thank you, Vipul sir and Devin sir, for trusting me with this. When I auditioned for this role, I was very excited because it's quite a crazy role and it's very mad and sort of like how I am in real life. And I'm glad that Devin sir thought that I could pull this off and I could look like Bhavna Reddy and speak in the Hyderabadi accent. And Chiruda, thank you for making me look so nice, yeah. I just saw the trailer. Thank you so much. I can't see you, but thank you. And thank you all of you. And this film has been really lots of fun. I mean, the main action Vidyut's doing, but now I think with all the training that France has given us, in real life, if anyone chedofies me now, I am all ready to beat them up, I think. And I have 2 packs right now, which by release, if I don't eat too much sev puri, will become 4, maybe.
The other guy, now moving on, is a guy whom you saw in Holiday being the baddie. Again, a journey that I wish to continue for a long time to come. He's a fantastic actor, very good looking guy. Many people said, why have you launched him as a villain in Holiday? He deserves to be a hero. But well, he got a lot of appreciation for Holiday. And in this particular film, he's playing a very, very mysterious part. Very unique, very different than Holiday. Freddy Daruwala.
Thank you everyone for coming over, and special thanks to my mentor, my Annadata, Vipul sir. Special thanks to Madhu sir, Shivasi sir, and Jayantilal sir for coming on board and making this vision come true. And special thanks to this very cute human who I don't shy to kiss anywhere in the media, just like I did right now. But besides everything, as I said, you know, the journey has been fantastic. This film is very special to us because of the vision that Vipul sir had and the seeds that Devin sir has sown. Beyond that, it's a very beautiful film for me also because I shared the screen space with 2 of my very dear friends right now. I can say, Vidyut, I've known you for years, and you are pretty much a little less crazier than I, but I enjoyed working with him as well. And this beautiful, hot girl, hello. So thank you all of you for coming over and giving us opportunity to show you what we are capable of. And I am sure you guys have loved the trailer, and I'm sure you will love the film as well. Thank you.
Super.
So the next guy, taking the tradition forward of introducing 3 of them happen to be here. Of course, now Vidyut is the leading guy. He's a young actor, brilliant one. We saw him in the audition and we thought that this was the guy who had to be the baddie in the film. Fantastic actor, Rocky. Rocky, please come.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much, Vipul sir. It was a dream to work with biggies like, you know, Vipul ji. I've seen his work over the years, right from Namaste London. I'm a big fan of his films. And thank you for giving me the opportunity. And this guy here, ये कहूँगा कि मैं छोटे बचपन से देख रहा हूँ तो बुरा ना माने. He still looks very young. But जो जीता वही सिकंदर, I'll never forget. And him as an actor also. But as a director, he was superb. one of the coolest guy I've ever worked with. Uh, Gives you the freedom, uh, get the best out of you. So thank you, Devan sir. And I had this lovely team, Freddie, Ada, Vidyut, and Isha. Really had a great time working with them. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
My very, very dear friend Vidyut.
Sorry. Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming here. Everybody over here who is present right now, I have to thank them because everybody is very important. Ritesh, thank you for Force, the way you wrote it. But the most important person for me is Vipul Shah, because he's the man who saw what I had a little bit of. And he will keep giving me chances, I know it, and I will be there for him whenever he needs me. And everybody over here, thank you very much. And I'll personally call you up later after this, and thank you. And thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy Commando 2 as much as you did Commando 1.
Wow, yeah. That was superb. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please. And now, over to the question answer round. And yeah, we'll go to that beautiful girl over there. Please, koi mic pakda dega upar? Jayenge?
Yeah. Right.
We were anticipating a very laughable comedy from you.
Okay.
So what made you take up fully action film like Commando 2? And my second question is, since the financial troubles that are plaguing the country, is it just a coincidence that this is the subject of your film, or did you think about it previously?
Okay, so I'll answer your question number one, that I have been feeling that I'm a versatile actor, but then I was termed as a comedian more. And similarly, my image is as a director in television is of more of a comic director of a comedy serial or something like that. But that's why I thank Vipul from the bottom of my heart that he knows me from ages, and he knows my inner talent, and he knows perhaps a little more than what I know of myself. Like he knows the training that I've gone through, the filmmaking training or whatever abroad, and my inner talent he must be very sure of that he approached me for this film. And I feel that I'm not restricted to any particular genre. If I like the subject, the whole project, and if I feel inspired and I feel like, giving my best to it, then I have to say yes to it. And this was, of course, a big opportunity, such a big brand, and it was a big risk for Vipul and everybody involved, like in producing the film. And I really thank them for giving me this responsibility of helming the film. So that answers your question number one. And question number two, answer number two is I feel yes, it has become topical because of this demonetization. But the script, we have been working on the script for quite a while now. Ritesh and Vipul and I and Suresh. We have worked a lot for a couple of years, I would say, that the germ came up and then we started working on it. And then finally, it is a happy coincidence, perhaps I would say, that, and more I feel black money is the topic that I feel we must address to, which our honorary Prime Minister has been, doing his best of efforts to eradicate black money. And this is just one of the steps, like in an entertaining way. So that's what, yeah.
Hi, Vidyut, over here. Towards your left over here. There are so many action films being made in India right now, which are like each action film is raising the bar for action. So when you are making a film like Commando, and if I'm not wrong, you have designed the action yourself, your team has designed the action yourself. So how difficult does it get for you to come up with something which is never seen before over here?
Yeah, it's not difficult at all because I don't think like an ordinary action guy. And what you see in Indian cinema or internationally, in my opinion, is mediocre. I'm sorry to say it, but it is. So when we did Commando 1, there was the first time in India we did not use cables, there was no stunt doubles, and there was phenomenal action. And Commando 2 में जब हम लोग ने विपुल सर से बात की थी and we wanted to know what we should do, we were just thinking of doing something which is beyond my imagination. So we just worked on it. We didn't think about what others are doing, what these guys are planning to do, or what we've seen. We were just competing with ourselves in Commando 1, and I have a feeling we've done a much better job than Commando 1.
And Vipul
hi.
sir was
यार वो पानी में घुसोगे तो गीले तो हो ही जाओगे, थोड़ी बहुत इंजरीज होती रहती हैं, बट इतनी ट्रेनिंग की हुई है कि अब आदत हो गई है.
Okay.
Hi,
Vipul sir, hi, this is Saif from over here, to your left.
So I have a question for Vidyut as well as Pratibha. This is Pratibha from Book My Show. So Vidyut, from Force to Commando 2, how is this role different? Or you just did this role for your producer friend?
यार, before anything else, I am a different person from Force to Commando 1 to Commando 2. So whatever the role would be, I would be a different human being. I would do it differently, I would portray it differently, I would exhibit it differently. So number one, बहुत अलग है यार. Force में I was supposed to be this very mean machine, which I did portray. In Commando 1, we were trying to raise the bar in action. But in Commando 2, there's a phenomenal story, there's intrigue in it, and for me, I had to prepare very differently from 1 and 2, from Force and Commando 1.
So basically you're saying that we have a lot different things for the audience to see in this movie.
कुछ भी वैसा नहीं है, phenomenal action के अलावा, जो आपने पहले देखा है.
Devin, all that I could gather.
My second question is for Ada. Your footage in the trailer is very, for a very short period of time, but still you make a mark. I would like to know what is your inspiration behind this character, the dialogue delivery and everything. It was really great.
Thank you. I have to thank Devin sir because we did like a lot of workshops to get the accent right. But I've been doing movies in Hyderabad, so I've been there for a year. So on set, when I used to get bored, I like mimicking people. And I do this all the time on sets everywhere. But so I used to mimic the accent, the Andhra accent. And I think I learned a few of the little local terms that they use here and there. So when I got to play this, I did it entirely from my heart and through his heart and mine.
Okay.
So
All the best.
thank you.
Devin, all that we could.
hi, my question is to all the three producers, Mr. Vipul Shah, Mr. Subhash sir, and Jayantilal sir. Nowadays we live in a time when the release size becomes very important. So, what sort of release are you looking for this film?
They will answer this.
So, I think it will be quite a wide release from that point of view. And though the actual numbers gets materialized only probably the last 15 days, but we expect that it is at least anything between 1,700 to 2,000 screen release. It's quite a wide release, and plus, as I mentioned, that this will also parallelly get released in Tamil and Telugu language.
But will you be targeting majorly the single screens?
Actually, this film, when it will come up, you will find that it has its audience in both, and as it is very clear from the trailer itself. Of course, in India, honestly, we make this difference of single screen and multiplex. There are only two kinds of films, either it's a good film or a bad film. So if there is a good film, it will get lapped up in any kind of audiences. And we are expecting that in India, at least, we'll go anything between 17 to 2,000, apart from the overseas market. And with whatever homework we have done last 1 month and etc., we are pretty confident that it will go at least 2-3 times more than the size of exposure what we have gone in Commando.
Vidyut,
आप बादशाह अगली फिल्म आपकी बादशाहों है उसका क्या स्टेटस है क्या आपका शेड्यूल खत्म हो चुका है
नहीं, शूटिंग चल रही है. मैं सिर्फ इसके लिए आज वापस आया था. ईशा आ नहीं पाई, मुझे वापस जाना है, एंड मैं इस बीच में प्रमोट भी करूंगा मूवी और वहाँ पे शूट भी करूंगा.
Vidyut,
Okay, मेरा सवाल विद्युत और फ्रेडी से है. फ्रेडी, if you can hear me, it's here. It's okay as well. You can hear me. विद्युत और फ्रेडी, आप दोनों से मेरा सवाल है. You started with Force, then you have done Soldier. आप दोनों की अगर बात करूं, जितनी फिल्में आपने अब तक की हैं एक्शन से रिलेटेड की हैं, फ्रेडी आपने भी, क्या आप दोनों को इस बात का डर नहीं है यू गेट टाइपकास्ट? I'll start with विद्युत.
नहीं, मैं तो टाइपकास्ट होना चाहता था और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे एक्शन हीरो जाना जाता है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट.
शाहरुख की तरह DDLJ या इस तरह की फिल्में दी जाएं, ऑफर की जाएं, तो would you love to be part?
अभी तक तो सोच नहीं रहा हूँ. अभी तो जो कर रहा हूँ उसमें बहुत मजे आ रहे हैं और DDLJ में बहुत एक्शन था बाय द वे, आपको रेलवे
एंड
स्टेशन
में लेकिन पूरी फिल्म में मोहब्बत ही मोहब्बत चल रही है।
यहाँ पे भी बहुत मोहब्बत है कमांडो 2 में, 2 हीरोइनें हैं यार।
ऑफ कोर्स। फ्रेडी, व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट?
टाइपकास्ट सिर्फ ऑनेस्टली बताऊं तो इंटरव्यू में होते हैं, वरना रेगुलर लाइफ में अगर हम जब मीटिंग्स के लिए जाते हैं तो ऐसा कुछ रहता नहीं. When you work as a villain, you're still acting, and when you work positive, you're still acting. When you're doing action, you're still acting. Basically, the idea is आप कुछ भी करो, जो फिल्म बनाने वाले हैं वो जानते हैं कि आप में कौन सा टैलेंट है. हम लोग ऑडिशंस भी देते हैं, तो they see you differently doing different parts of this business that we call acting. तो ऐसा टाइप कास्टिंग जैसा कुछ रहता नहीं. I think it's fair and good.
ओके, जैसे विपुल ने भी जिक्र किया, बात करते करते उन्होंने कहा कि यू हैव ऑल द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ हीरो, इवन वी एग्री. क्या देयर आर पॉसिबिलिटी विल सी यू नो कमिंग विद अ न्यू रोमांटिक फिल्म अलोंग विद विपुल अंडर विपुल प्रोडक्शन एंड ऑल?
इंशाल्लाह, वेरी सून.
ओके, कास्टिंग की अगर रॉकी आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, जयदीप का किरदार बहुत पसंद करा गया था कमांडो में. अगर मैं विलन की बात करूँ, जो मेन मुख्य किरदार उन्होंने निभाया था, देयर बी अ कंपैरिजन. आपकी तुलना यकीनन होगी जब फिल्म रिलीज होगी, उस बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? और you are a very close friend of Jaydeep Ahlawat, if I'm not wrong. Did you have taken some tips from him?
जयदीप मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है, हम लोगों ने साथ काम किया है. लास्ट रिलीज जो हमारी थी मेरठिया गैंगस्टर्स, उसमें बहुत अच्छा हम लोगों ने साथ काम किया है. कंपैरिजन्स होते हैं आप लोगों के लिए, जब हम आपस में होते हैं, हम लोग दोस्त होते हैं. एक्टर्स होते हैं जो एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं. उन्होंने इस स्क्रिप्ट में अपने हिसाब से एक्सप्लोर किया, मैं इस स्क्रिप्ट में अपने हिसाब से एक्सप्लोर करूँगा. बाकी जो मैं ऑडियंस पे छोड़ता हूँ, अगर वो कंपेयर करना चाहते हैं कंपेयर करें, अगर वो दोनों को अप्रिशिएट करना चाहते हैं दोनों को अप्रिशिएट करेंगे.
Vidyut, your t-shirt is really cool. Do you need this t-shirt to show your abs?
ये बताने के लिए जैसा मैं अंदर हूँ वैसा ही बाहर भी हूँ, कोई प्रेटेंस नहीं है.
विद्युत, टाइगर को हमने बागी में एक डिफरेंट तरह का स्टंट करते हुए देखा, इनको जॉन को बहुत डिफरेंट तरह का करते देखा. अभी ये आप कह रहे हैं कि इसमें बहुत डिफरेंट तरह का एक्शन है, तो ये लेवल किस तक, कहाँ तक जाएगा?
मैम डिफरेंट तो है, आपको दिखा ना
जी, लेकिन वो
कहाँ से निकल रहा हूँ, इतना बड़ा शरीर. जॉन के साथ बहुत अमेजिंग बात क्या है मैम कि जॉन इज अ ह्यूज मैन एंड टाइगर हैज अ फेनोमेनल फिजिक, ही इज लीन. मैं उन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन हूँ, तो दोनों चीज़ें करना बहुत मुश्किल है. एक ह्यूज फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं होता और फ्लेक्सिबल ह्यूज नहीं हो सकता है, मगर मैं वो हूँ. एंड जी हाँ, हमने स्टैंडर्ड ऊपर ही करना है. हम लोग आज ही मैं विपुल सर से बात कर रहा था कि ही आस्क्ड मी, विद्युत, हु रियली इंस्पायर्स यू? सो फॉर मी इट्स नॉट ABCD. आजकल यूट्यूब की जनरेशन है, देयर आर फिनोमिनल पीपल. आप जाके देखिए, ऐसे ऐसे अद्भुत लोग हैं यूट्यूब में, वो लोग मुझे इंस्पायर करते हैं. ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें मैं देखता हूँ, जैसे वो कांटे से पूरी फाइट कर लेते हैं, वो खाने वाला कांटा. So there are amazing inspirations over there, and I get inspired by those people.
To add to her question, are you all set to dethrone Akshay?
No, it's a very wrong thing to even ask that question. You should never try to dethrone anybody. I will establish a new planet, I will establish a new country, but he should rule where he is.
बहुत अच्छा बोला.
Sir, दोबारा बोलिएगा, sorry. ध्यान रह गया. अजय देवगन, अक्षय कुमार, दिस इज नॉट रैंकिंग वाइज, इनका मैं फ़ैन था. शाहरुख खान, मैं इनका बहुत दीवाना था इन तीनों का. मुझे इन सबका एक्शन बहुत पसंद था. और भी थे. हॉलीवुड में सिर्फ जैकी चैन. सर अब क्या है कि अब मैं यंगस्टर्स से मिलता हूँ, मुझे बोलते हैं कि आप इंस्पिरेशन हो, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आती है. तो आजकल मैं अपने आप को ही बोलता हूँ आज का समय मेरा है.
जयंती जी, आपसे एक सवाल है.